In Supervisor, you can adapt the default views associated with your role to make it easier to locate and examine items. You can customize the view by defining which columns to display and how they should be displayed. Once you do this, you can save the view. If you want to use it each time you access Supervisor, you can also set it as the default view. By the way, you can manage these views as resources in Workshop. Let's take a look at the ways in which you can customize a view. You can add or remove properties or column headers by clicking the Settings button and then selecting or clearing the check marks here. On the Review, Produce, Queue, and Collect views, you can further customize the properties by clicking Add Properties. Select each property that you want and click Add. After all the columns that you want are listed, click the Add button. In each view, you can sort and filter what you see by clicking the Action menu next to the column and selecting the options that you want. You can sort in ascending or descending order, or select filter criteria based on the properties related to that column. For example, in the Track view, you can filter the status column to see only jobs that have errors. For some columns, you can also filter using a text string. For example, in the Track view, you can filter by entering the tracker ID. You can resize columns by clicking and dragging the boundary of the column. To reorder the columns, click a column and drag it to its new location. Zooming out on the browser window can make it easier to see the columns. After you customize your view, you can save it. Click the Action menu to expand the list of views and select Save As. Specify a name and click Save. You can then set your custom view as the default view. Click the Action menu again and then hover the pointer over the view name and click this button. For more information about using Supervisor, see the other videos in this series.